Hey friends, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm standing in front of a 2025 Scout XSF Sportfish boat. This boat has the full colored shark gray hull side and bottom. Has the hard top with the glassed in windscreen. We have this boat powered by the 200 horsepower V6 MERCURY motor with power steering. This boat's going to include the 2-axle trailer made by Wesco. We also have the trim tabs on here. And let's hop inside and check out some more of the other features. Check out the bow of this boat. Comfortable for all your fishermen, friends, and family. You've got a nice wraparound seating, a huge lounge chairs with armrests. Come back here to the console with me. You can see the glassed-in windshield I was talking to you about. We have the upgraded Helms chair with flip-up armrests and flip-up and down bolsters. This boat does have the digital throttle, shift and throttle. It's got the new C-Star trim tab indicator system. We also did the Fusion stereo with the JL speakers in this boat. And of course, you got to have the freshwater washdown and built-in live wells. Love to show you this boat here at MarineMax in Greenville. Thank you.